Your immune system is your body's defense against illnesses. And in this episode of Biohacking Tips, we're exploring how you can naturally boost your immunity with the power of special nuts. These nuts are packed with nutrients that can strengthen your immune response. Let's dive deeper into the health benefits and practical tips for integrating them into your daily routine. The importance of a strong immune system. Before we delve into the world of special nuts and their immune-boosting properties, let's take a moment to understand the vital role a strong immune system plays in keeping you healthy. Your immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and proteins that work together to defend your body against harmful invaders, such as viruses and bacteria. Almonds for immune support. Almonds are rich in vitamin A, which is known for its immune-enhancing properties. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage and supports a healthy immune system. Incorporating a handful of almonds into your daily snack routine can be a simple and effective way to boost your immune health. Walnuts for heart health and immunity. While walnuts are renowned for their healthy benefits due to their omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, they also contribute to your immune system's well-being. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation in the body, allowing your immune system to function optimally. So, enjoy a handful of walnuts not only for your heart, but also for your immune health. Brazil nuts and the power of selenium. Brazil nuts are nature's selenium superstars. Selenium is a trace mineral that plays a critical role in supporting your immune system. It helps regulate the immune response and may even reduce the risk of certain infections. Just a few Brazil nuts a day can provide you with the selenium your body needs for a robust immune defense. Pistachios. Fiber, antioxidants, and immune support. Pistachios offer a unique combination of dietary fiber and antioxidants that not only promote a healthy gut, but also contribute to a strong immune system. A healthy gut is closely linked to overall immunity. Incorporating pistachios into your diet can help nurture your gut microbiome, which in turn supports your immune health. Cashews and the importance of zinc. Cashews are a rich source of zinc, a mineral that's essential for immune function. Zinc helps your immune system work efficiently by supporting the development and function of immune cells. Including cashews in your diet can provide the zinc necessary for a robust immune response. Incorporating special nuts into your diet. While these special nuts can be powerful additions to your diet, it's important to incorporate them mindfully. You can enjoy them as standalone snacks or get creative by adding them as toppings to salads, yogurt, or smoothie bowls. Experiment with different ways to make these nuts a delicious and immune-boosting part of your daily meals. Balanced nutrition for overall health. While special nuts offer fantastic immune-boosting benefits, it's crucial to remember that overall health requires a balanced and diverse diet. Combining these nuts with a variety of nutrient-rich foods ensures that your body receives all the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants it needs for optimal well-being. Food allergies and precautions. Before you dive into your nut-based immune-boosting journey, it's important to be aware of potential allergies and take necessary precautions. Allergies can be severe, so if you have any concerns or allergies, consult with a healthcare professional before introducing these nuts into your diet. Nut-powered immunity. As we conclude our exploration of using special nuts to boost immunity, remember that small dietary changes can make a big difference in your overall health. By incorporating these nuts into your diet alongside a well-balanced nutrition plan, you can enhance your immune system naturally and enjoy the benefits of a healthier, more resilient you.